rhino horn.
So this is black rhino?
No. The term black and white is extremely confusing. It's got nothing to do with the color of the animal.
Oh.
The term black and white refers to the black way the lip, meaning a wide lip, and the wide became white. Look at the wide lip. They grazers, they eat grass. The black rhino is a little bit smaller, and he's got a prehensile lip, a 45-degree parrot beak type of lip. They eat leaves and twigs, where these guys are grazers, they eat grass.
Oh, so they're black.
Yeah,
These
the
are black.
No, these are the white.
These are white.
With the
okay.
white.
The black one is the twigs and
Yeah,
the branches.
because of the tennant in the leaves and the twigs, his mouth inside is black.